You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. We've mentioned several heat-loving flowers that just love being planted now. This is when you see them at the garden centers. This is when you should be planting them, not earlier, not later. There's a window for it, and it's summer through fall, and it's your peak window. And most of them are perennials. You plant them once and you're done. They just keep coming back year after year. And so this Saturday, that's 9:30, we host a garden class every Saturday. And this Saturday is that we're showing off the best of the best heat-loving flowers that just love this time of year, and how to plant them, how to use them, how to put them in, how to water them, how to care for them. Your gardens will be more beautiful. Next week, what is the date on that? This is the 16th. Next week, the 23rd of August, this is going to be popular. It's one of our most popular garden classes. It's from Newbie to Garden Pro in Arizona. If you're new to the area or you just want to up your game, you want to know the garden zones, when to fertilize, how often to water, which plants are best for screening. It's technical, but you are definitely going to make less mistakes by coming to that garden class, the 23rd. And then the one I'm kind of most excited about is the 26th. I know that's not a Saturday, that's a Tuesday. So last month, we had our very first sip and shop. It's from 4 to 6. We offered a cheese platter. It wasn't fancy. It was good. It's Costco. Here's a couple platters. It went over well. And some of my favorite wines. And what I really love, sangria. And I'd picked some fresh mint from my gardens. We had fresh herbal mint, strawberry mint tea at the garden center. We just had a sip and shop. We had all of the carts kind of cleaned up, lined up. You can come in with your girlfriends, your neighbors, a date night. It's from 4 to 6. So it's perfect. Come to this and then go to dinner. But it's a sip and shop at the garden center. Last time it was on a Thursday and it was packed. We had no parking. We overdid it. Apologize. Those that came in, turned around. Sorry. This time we're going to go a little lighter, less announcements, less promotions, and it's on a Tuesday. I'm thinking just maybe if you can't make it a Thursday, maybe you can make it a Tuesday, if you just kind of trying to give options. But look at that, August 26th from 4 to 6, we're having an after hours sip and shop. And I'll kind of give a tour of the garden center. I'll show off some of the latest, greatest plants, some new things that have just come in, and kind of give you some more garden trivia. So here's where this plant came from. Here's how you use it, kind of stuff. And it's local, just us. And it's very casual. Please come as my guest. It's free for now, unless we pack the garden center up again. Then I might actually put a $5 charge to it or something. I don't know. But for now, it's not next week, the Tuesday after. That's August 26th, sip and shop. And then the very last garden class in August. We go through November, but the very last garden class of August, the best plants for pollinators. If you want to attract more butterflies, more hummingbirds into your gardens, we're going to have a whole selection of plants that just focus on the pollinator, what brings them in, whether it's a monarch, a swallowtail, a painted lady butterfly, or more hummingbirds floating through as they migrate south for the winter. These are the plants they love to have. And by then we'll start having the fall mix of lots of different plants coming in. It will be a hoot. So please join us. So Sip and Shop, it was such a success last time. I was stunned. And so it's kind of fun. It was also good energy, good vibe. It felt good. It was like a garden party, only with a glass of sangria that you're walking through. It's my favorite time as that sun sets over the greenhouse. The plants kind of take one last breath before they go to sleep. Some of them curl up that time of night, so the leaves will actually fold. Some of them, the flowers will actually close up. You can see them putting themselves to sleep right then, and that's the magic of that time of day. Sip and Shop, August 26th. Throughout the week, though, Lisa and I do camp out here at Waters Garden Center, and we do like talking to fans of the show.
Butterflies bring magic to the garden, and attracting those winged wonders is easy with Water's Butterfly Plant Collection.
Water specializes in local plants and knows exactly which plants butterflies adore.
We create a natural, safe, and organic space for you and your beautiful butterflies.
Visit Waters Garden Center at 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott.
Or online at watersgardencenter.com.
Smell the flowers that butterflies love and turn gardens into a butterfly paradise. For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.